Right, some time ago, back in June I believe, I actually made a video on this card, a review, and yeah, I had no issues with it whatsoever at the beginning, and then after a little while it started making noises with the fan, and I took it out because it started getting annoying, and every now and again it wasn't spinning, and I thought, well, I can't use that, and then I forgot all about it because I ordered a different one. Totally forgot all about it whatsoever. And then in December 2023, they messaged me through Amazon and said to me, are you having any issues on your fan and your heatsink? And would I like a replacement heat fan and sink, or just a sink? And I went, oh yes please. Now, I didn't message them and ask them or say to them, look, I've got an issue. They actually just contacted me at, well, random, I'm guessing. So I thought I'd make a little video on this and how to change it, because today they sent me the actual parts. Now, one comes with a fan already built onto the heatsink, this little baby here. Let me quickly show you that. And it's very nice. It should be quite easy to apply or to connect. So you've got that. Nice little container, by the way. I quite like that. And the other one is just purely a heatsink, so you don't have any noise. Now what I am going to do is I'm actually going to install this one first. Is it the same size? It is the same size, exactly the same size. It looks like it's exactly the same one as well. But perhaps they changed the internals of the actual fan itself, because it's definitely noisy. Or if you wanted to, you could use this one, which would be dead silent, which I probably will use in the end. But I want to play about and see how easy it is to actually change the actual parts. Looking at that, I would say that one's probably easier to change than that one, because you've got to add some extra bits. So with that, I'm going to get some tools and I'm going to give her a go. Before I begin, they did actually send me a link to an actual video. You can actually watch them doing it and showing you how easy it is to do, which I did watch, and yeah, it is quite easy to do. But if you've never done it before, it can be a little bit scary. Now, they used a pair of tweezers for removing this. I just think it's purely for the fact it might be a bit awkward to get out. You see that right? So, going to use these long nose pliers. Try not to break it, Yorkie. There you go. Job done. And then on the back, what they've done is squash these in and push them through. I've got to go back through there. That's it. The way they done it, they went like that. So that one's in. Just take your time when you do these things, alright? No need to rush. Oops. One's come right out. That one's come out. Just this one to go. There you go. Done it. There you go. So I can't see what the difference is between that one and that one. Looks like the same fan. Perhaps it's not. So I might change my mind, just put that one straight on. So that will go something like that onto there. Actually, I'm going to go for the silent mode. Let's get these out. Let's see how easy it is to put all these bits together. So that's already assembled. So basically, I am going to go for the silent mode. So basically, all I need to do is push that down there. I'm not going to use them ones now, change my mind. Find the hole, push that through, That's in. That's 1, 2, 4. That's easy enough. And then you just put these on, so you push it down, put them on, hold it in place. And because you're not actually using the fan, you don't need to connect no power. Yeah, easy enough. That's so easy. Let's get this out. Right, so make sure you take that off. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get it off my finger, is it on both sides? I think it is actually. Hey, that's it. Yeah, perfect. And then that, go back over there like that. That was easy. Yes, it is running okay with no issues, and I've been testing it for about 2 weeks now. And like I said, I've had no issues with it whatsoever. It was easy to install, plus I did take out the heatsink again just to try out this one, the one with the fan, because I wanted to know whether or not it's going to be noisy, and it was dead silent. But then I swapped them back over again because I wanted to play about with the one with just a heatsink. I thought there's no point in having a fan going because that's using electricity if you can do it fanless. So that's what I've been trying, and it seems to be, touch wood, it's been okay. Yeah, very pleased. I'm pleased that they actually contacted me without me contacting them. So there's a fault with this. So I'm pleased that they've done that, and I'm pleased that they gave me a couple of different options on which way to go. And I tried both, and they both worked. So with that, if you found this video informative, useful in any way whatsoever, or even entertaining, let me know by subscribing, clicking on the bell to get notified, giving me the thumbs up, and placing a comment in the section below, in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Woo! 10 gigabit per second. My main computer already has 10 gigabit now. My editing one now has built-in 10 gigabit. But imagine, right, you can link, or I think they're called aggregate, two of them together and give you 30, 20 gigabits per second. That's amazing. Thank you very much for watching.